How can you make a toolbox talk at a construction site effective? Well, two ways you can make them more effective are, number one, keep it short and sweet. Construction workers don't want to listen to a long laundry list of safety mumbo jumbo. They just want to be in and out, and they want meaningful information that they could actually use. And number two, document the toolbox talk. Have a secretary or somebody to document when you started, what topics were discussed, who was present, and when you finished. This will be needed for OSHA compliance.